Hi, it's Debra E. Johnson, and I'm going to say welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome if you've never been here. This is the channel where I tell of His goodness. I tell of the goodness of God no matter what's going on in our lives. And I want to encourage you, a good reason for you to keep coming back to this channel is because you get to tell of the goodness of God no matter where you are and what's going on. And if you keep being reminded of the goodness of God, then you have a reason to put that in your heart, to put that in your spirit, and to be encouraged no matter how bad the day is. And you have a reason to share it with somebody else. So I'm going to say, come back, because that's the reason for you to tell of His goodness for you and for others. Now I'm going to jump right into what we usually do, which is here on this channel. Right now I'm doing a series of the books of the Bible, and I talk about the goodness of God through each book of the Bible. And today we're doing the book of Nehemiah. And so you know that Nehemiah is a continuation, a compilation of what happened with Ezra, the book before. And Nehemiah is, the Israelites come back to from the Babylonian captivity. They come back in stages. And so this is another opportunity where you see the Israelites have come back. They've come back in stages. And Nehemiah comes and he sees that, the temple did get rebuilt. But guess what? The walls are still undone. He's frustrated. He's upset. But he has leadership. He puts himself into action. And guess what he does? He makes sure that the walls get built. The walls around Jerusalem get built in 52 days. Yes, you heard me. 52 days. It's a huge project. And all the tribes come, and all the people from the different tribes come, and they build the wall. And there's even in Nehemiah, the 3rd chapter, there's even a group of ladies that help build the wall. One for the ladies, right? We're in the project too. And so they build the wall. They get it done in 52 days. In spite of the opposition, in spite of the trials, in spite of the issues, the walls of Jerusalem get built, and God is honored. At some point, we see that the Israelites really aren't doing what they should be doing, and Nehemiah has to talk to them and say, hey, you're supposed to be following the law. You're supposed to be doing what's right. And he stresses it, and they follow him, and things get right in the sight of the Lord. And by the end of the book of Nehemiah, after all the stuff that has happened, and the foreign wives have been put away, and circumstances are now in alignment with what God asked, Nehemiah says, oh God, remember me for my good. So he's even asking God to bless him. And so we see the goodness of God throughout the book of Nehemiah. The Israelites get to come back after the captivity. The walls are built. The temple is ready. And now they're in a place where they can rejoice and talk to their God again as they should be. And so I'm going to ask you, as the Nehemiah and the Israelites built what they need to build in 52 days, what project has God allowed you to get done in such a short amount of time? God has allowed you to move forward and faster than you expected. I think of Pastor Joel Osteen, who talks about God pushing you forward and farther and faster than you ever could imagine. 52 days to get all the wall built. What has God done for you? What circumstances He fixed for you that you got it done, and it's great, and you're excited because you saw God fix it? How has God been good to you in that way? God always takes care of us. I'm about to wrap this up for today. And so I said, remember the book of Nehemiah. Remember how the walls got built. And think about what you have gotten done, because God has taken care of you and pushed you farther and faster than you ever expected. Put something in the comments box so I know you're listening and I know you got an opinion. You can share it with me. I'm going to be done for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that jazz. And I'll see you soon. This is Debra E. Johnson. Remember, tell of His goodness. God is always good to us. Share there, won't you? Talk to you soon. Bye.